Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ711 here. I need to replace the interior filter in this car, and well, it's behind here, behind the glove box. First thing I need to do is to remove all the stuff I have in the glove box and underneath and on the floorboard, because this glove box lid will drop down and make the filter accessible. Okay, glove box is fairly empty. There's a clip here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bitty stop for the glove box. And there's one of these on each side. Looks like maybe a small screwdriver will help. I don't know if you can see that, but they just pop out and they'll push back in. Okay, and now you can see how it goes in something like that. Okay, see if we can do any better with this one. Alrighty, now the glove box just drops down, and this right here is your door for your filter. Okay, this little tab right here, you pull towards the passenger side door, and then you can take the cover completely off, like that. And now what you end up with is a little box. It's got a little tab on it, and you just pull that box out. Some come out easier than others. What you do is you take this filter out of the holder, and you put another one in. Okay, that's not it. There's another filter, and it's right here. And what you need to do is slide it over and then pull it out. So you have two filters, each in a box, and you replace both of those, then put the boxes back in. Here's the difference between a new filter and an old filter. Okay, when you put your filters in, make sure you have your airflow matching up with the airflow on the front of the container. Once you got your new air filters in and in their little boxes, it's time to put them back in. Two little cutouts that go right up in there. Just sort of snaps in. Now it's time to put the glove box back. So go in like this, and then they slide up into the back there, and then you just push it in that way. All right. Snapped in. Now it's time for this one. All right. There we go. Okay. So now you don't have to do this again for 30,000 miles. Actually, they say 30,000 miles or 2 years. If you're not in a real dusty area, it's up to you. Okay, I'm going to put my stuff back in the glove box, and this job will be finished. This is Steve AZ 711. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for watching. Be sure to click the notification bell. And again, bye for now.